Thank you. In that case, that is, obviously remain in this college. That's some investigations and
Thank you, Mr. Lidla. Your matter is then postponed 5 March 2026. 5 March 2026, that would be then for further investigations. You are in custody.
thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Raniso, just wait one moment. For now, the court is going to adjourn. I will allow the media an opportunity to take pictures of the accused. As he's brought up as well, you may arrange with the court orderlies. Please be respectful, give each other an opportunity. I would say form a queue. That way it would be most respectful to everyone. And then I will allow the media also then to take down their equipment.
Because what happened with the robbed future? Verified. Ensure that you insist to see its license, you see the disc of the motor, you get the association associated with. Be mindful of the life that you are carrying. It can be correct that even if you are a driver, no matter how bully and bossy is your boss, tell the guy that this taxi cannot take people into their way. It can't be correct that we lose people because of being reckless.
The accused appeared briefly this morning. He's facing 14 counts of murder. Initially, the charge was culpable homicide, but however, when the state perused the docket and the evidence that was in the docket, we found that we had prima facie evidence to charge the accused with that, with the charge of murder. Hence, the charges are now 14 counts of murder, 3 counts of attempted murder, and 3 other charges of contravening the Trafficking Act. It's in relation to the children that are still in hospital.
Guillaume Chita in court. 22-year-old. I thought he's older and stuff based on Melee. What do we say here, guys? Are we saying age is a factor, maturity? Because obviously Karbar, he was intoxicated as well. Do we look at the age? Do we say he's learned his lesson? Do we say give him a second chance? He's still young. He didn't know what he was doing. What do we say? What do we say? Guillaume Court to he's 22 years old. What do we say about this? Is it a lesson learned or lebatlomona again tronko?
Bebe by 12 abantwana abaswelekileyo kule accident yasevala. Ngoku by 14 because by 2 abebesesibhedlele have succumbed to injuries zabo and have since died. Condolences to families zabo. Ikhona nje into endifuna uyiqonda kodwa apha kuni endingayi-understandiyo. Sibonile i-cam footage from i-drug, right? Simbonile udriver we-Scholar Transport edriver kwilane erongo. Sibonile ezinye iteksi kule lane yakhe zizama umvulela, zislower down so that angene, akangena. Sibonile ngoko ajongene nale truck that still slow it down so that angene, akangena. Sibonile i-truck driver isiya as far left as possible ude uriska obakhe ubomi ngoyongena emahlathini so that angene lo, akangena. Instead walandela i-truck driver. After elandelela truck driver, uligwala ukhohlakele because uzimela ngabantwana to protect himself. Wenza choice between obakhe ubomi nobomi bentsana ezi-innocent ezingenzanga nto. Ngoku nina niyamsizela xa appearishe court, hayi yho akamncinci ndiyamsizela, akekho umntu ovela avuke athi uyobulala abantu. Utruck driver yena oyena mntu ufanele ubanjwe ngutruck driver utheni anganyathela ii-brakes, kutheni angathananga utruck driver. So ngoku nisizela lo mntu owenze i-conscious decision to ensure that yena he walks out alive at the expense of ezintsana. Nisizela yena makubanjwe utruck driver kuyekwe lo. Guys, make it make sense kanjani?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Taxi driver we-accident lendeke laphana eVale u-Ayanda Dludla, lona 22 years old, bekavele namhla lapha enkantolo ayobingelela inkantolo. Ubukene namaqala la 14 okubulala, 3 okuzama kubulala, 1 lokungabi ne-PDP, 1 driver Scholar Transport without a permit. Bantu abaningi bamangele ukuthi hayibo kanjani manje utholakala njani driver leya taxi le beyithwele abantwana besikolo. Bantu abaningi beva buhlungu emva kwale accident lena because ithuse abantu abaningi kakhulu nangokuthi umnyaka usaqala already sesiuqala kabi. So bantu bayasho nje ukuthi udeserve akuboshwa kuthatha itikhiya tilahlelo lekugcina, but there were people who were actually saying ukuthi they felt sorry for him. Oh no, uyabona ukuthi uyatesola 14 lives were lost and yena uyaphila akanaso scratch, like he is safe and sound. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.